In this video, I will show you how to fix server connection lost in Infinity Nikki, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. The first thing you need to do is force close the game, so simply hold the game icon, locate the game in your device and go to the app info. Here in the app, you need to force close it. In the bottom, you will be able to see the force stop button, so click on it. Once you stop the game, next you need to switch your network connection. For example, if you are currently connected to the mobile data, you need to change to Wi-Fi, or if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, then switch to the mobile data. Then try again. Next, make sure you have turned on off flight mode on your device. And the next step is, if your connection is lost in the new Infinity Nikki game, you should restart your device. So simply hold the power button on your device and restart button is shown. Then you need to reboot your device and try again. Also make sure the server status is not down. If sometimes server is down, you will be facing the issues. So make sure the server is not down for everyone. If server is down for everyone, you need to wait for some time, then try again. These are some of the best solutions to fix the server connection lost error. And that's it, you are done.